Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm taking the Jansno X70 out for its first ride. Yeah, this is the bike that my buddy Ron, put together for me last week because we were really super busy. So I just picked it up from his house. And yeah, it looks like we got to make a couple of adjustments to it. Looks like the display over here is listing kilometers instead of miles per hour. So we got to do something with that and change it over to miles per hour. And this thing is limited on its speed. So right now it's 24 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure what that is. I don't remember. But it does go faster. There's instructions that Jansno sent me, and I don't remember exactly what it is, but you got to take the seat off, and underneath the seat there's a couple of wires, and you either unplug them or you plug them together or you plug them in or something. I don't remember what it is. Anyway, it allows it to go faster. So we're going to do that because it's not going too fast right now. It's probably, I don't know the conversion between kilometers and hours. I used to, not anymore. I don't think we're quite doing 20 though. And I believe this will go up to 28. So we'll see if we can do something with that. You got 34 amp hours of battery on this thing because you got two separate batteries. The 750 watt motor has got 60 newton meters of torque. So this isn't a hill climber. You know, this isn't something you want to take off road and do some hill climbing or anything because it doesn't quite have enough torque. And it's a heavy bike too, with all that battery and the big crown forks on the front, motorcycle style forks. And so it makes it a heavy bike. Yeah, let's just stop right here and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I need to seat those brakes in too. Bed those in, I should say. Yeah, so that's what we got going on. It's a nice looking bike. You know, nicer color, brown tones, and with the brown sidewall tires there makes it kind of neat. But you got two separate batteries. One that looks like a gas tank, right, for a motorcycle or something. But then you got a battery underneath. And you got the 750 watt motor back here in the back. Nice beefy frame. This is a dual suspension, so you have a rear suspension right here. So that helps make the bumps a little more comfortable. You do have mechanical brakes though, so be aware of that. You've got blinkers on the front. And do we have blinkers in the back? That might have blinkers over there. I'm not sure. Let's see. Turn it on. Yeah, it's cascading style, so that blinkers on the back as well. Kind of cool. Big, huge headlight, so you can see at night. I think those are not familiar with those Tome Sport tires. Not familiar with those knobby tires. Yeah. So, like I say, good looking bike. Up here we have this style display. We've seen that before. And you got the blinkers right there. Big loud horn right down there. Brakes, 7-speed Shimano. Oh, I can take that sticker off. 7-speed Shimano shifter. Twisty throttle, which I prefer. Yeah, and let's just take it for a spin and show you a little bit more of it. So it's a tall bike for taller riders, but even with that, yeah, I'm a tall guy with long legs, and so when my feet are at the top there, my foot's at the top of the crank right there, and you can see where my knee is. It's almost level with the handlebars. That's why I typically don't ride this style bike a whole lot. If you have shorter legs or something, it's ideal, but for long-legged people like me, it's not as comfortable. I'm going to do throttle only. You can see it's got a slower pick up and go. I left it in past 5, so that's it. We hit the limit right there. So we're going to have to play around with that. Play around with the settings and also play with those wires down below that underneath the seat and get this thing to go faster for us. We'll just kind of cruise around nice and slow. Yeah, the Jansno X70. I can pedal kind of fast, but I can feel the pedal at that speed. Wouldn't be able to pedal any faster than that. I'm already in 7th gear over here. Yeah. I don't know. It might be your thing. It might be your thing. I'll bring you another video real soon when I figure out the settings and what I got to do down here to with those wires that they sent me instructions for, and then we'll see how fast it'll go. Guys, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and drop any comments down below. I'll see you in another video real soon.